Hey guys, what's up? We are back again with another video, and this one we are going to be talking about one of the famous primitive data types, which might be useful in various use case scenario. That is a string, and we are going to be talking about some of the inbuilt methods which JavaScript offers to us related to the string. So let's get started. So let me open it side by side so that we can see the console output in the live state. So I have written a basic definition what particularly a string is in JavaScript. So a string is a sequence of one or more characters that may consist of letters, numbers, or symbols. Strings in JavaScript are primitive data types and immutable, which means they are unchanging. They cannot be changed. So let me help you in understanding these terminologies to you. So anything which you can type from your keyboard, a sequence of those keywords is basically a string. So I have written over here, hello world inside this double quotes. So anything that resides in double quotes is a string. These inverted commas, they will include anything and can include anything or any special character, any number. For example, I am typing this blah blah. So everything which is wrapped around these double quotes, these inverted comma, is a string. So this is a basic terminology related to string. So let me make it hello world back again. And this string is immutable. Immutable means that they cannot be changed, they cannot be reassigned, their values are fixed. Okay, so let's start now with some of the inbuilt methods related to this string. So I have made one variable string to which I have assigned value hello world. Okay, so for example, I want to calculate the value of this hello world. Okay, so JavaScript offers to us one inbuilt method in order to calculate the length of the string, that is dot length. So let's see what it is going to print out to us in the console. So str over here is this string, okay, and in the console I am printing out with the help of this method dot length the actual length of this string, okay, str dot length. Let's see what it is going to return. So you can see that it is giving us 11. So how it is 11? Because starting from indexing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is also calculating this blank space 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are total 11 indexing of this string. Okay, I hope we are clear with this one. And another one is, for example, I want to see what is at this particular indexing 1. So we have the method str.char@, character at. Character str is our string, char@ is the character at, and we are giving the position at that particular position. What is the character? So you can see it has printed out e because at first position at indexing 1, the because it is starting from indexing 0. Okay, length is 11, but the indexing indexing is e is at first place. First place means indexing 1 because indexing starts from 0. So what it is? E. So it has printed out to us E. Then another one is ends with. Okay, we are seeing whether it ends with which character or which alphabet. This hello world is ending with D alphabet at the end. And it is when you'll hover on this ends with, you can see that it takes the string argument, it takes the end position as well, the number, and it returns whether it is true or false. For example, currently we are saying whether it ends with D or what. So I have made a falsy statement, that is I am checking it with E, and let's see what it is going to return. It is giving us false because this string ends with D, not E. And let's make it D again, then it is going to return true because it ends with D. And another one is includes. So you can yeah, this is also going to give us the result in boolean in the form of true or false. As you can see, by hovering over includes, it is going to give us all the arguments which it is going to take and also the result which it is going to give us. Okay, So yeah, so we are checking whether the string includes this world keyword. So yes, it includes world. So we are checking str.includes whether it includes world or not in the string. Yes, it includes world. So we are getting true in here. And for example, we need to check, what is the indexing of this world. Okay, so we have one method known as index of. So this helps us in order to get the indexing of this world. So index of world, I want to know, for example, I increase the length of this. Okay, now there are four words, but I want to know out of these all four words, what is the length of this word. Then I can pass down the keyword of which I want to know the length index. So that is a very useful case scenario. I hope we are clear with this one. str.repeat. So as you will hover, str.repeat is, we want, for example, I want to repeat this string 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, up to n number of times. Then in the repeat method, we can give any value, and you can see that it has print out to us hello world 2 times. If I type 5, then it is going to return hello world 5 times. So it is going to repeat that particular string based on the number you provide in here. Okay, so yeah, str.replace. Now we have str.replace. So when you'll hover, you can see that it is taking 2 arguments. First one is the value with which you want to replace it, and second is the value which you want to replace. Okay, so first one is world. Okay, I want to replace this world with my name Shivang. Then let's see what it is going to return. You can see that it is giving us hello Shivang because I have replaced this world with Shivang. First one is the world what I want to replace, and second is the what with what I first one is the with what I want to replace, and second is the what I want to replace. Yeah. And for example, now we have slice method. So slice is basically, I want that this particular world I want. Okay. So first one is the starting indexing. Second argument is the end indexing. So whatever is in between them, and also including the 11th indexing, I want that to be returned. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and till 11. This is the starting indexing and 11 indexing. I want that this is returned. So it is giving us world. Next, we have split. Let me remove this first of all. Okay, as you can see, this split method, I want to split out these all characters. Okay, so I want to split out based on this blank space in between. So I'm going to pass down blank space. So it has splitted this string based on the empty space in between. For example, I type in here hello world and exclamation mark. So it is going to split based on the blank space. We can like type in here uh, I I'll say I want to split it based on empty space, and I want to include dot join. I want to include test in between them. Okay, so you can see hello test, world test. So it has included test instead of blank space. So this is a very useful case scenario. Then we have starts with. Okay, this is as similar to ends with, only we are checking whether our hello world starts with hello. So it is, yes, it is starting with hello. It is starting with hello, and it is going to return us the Boolean value, whether true or false. Another one is substring. It is similar to the uh, one we have like before, just like slice it is. And first one is the index, start index, and second is the end index, and it is going to return as everything between it. Then we have lowercase. For example, this hello world is in H is capital, W is capital, and I want that full string does not consist of any capital letters, and I want then they are converted into lowercase letters. So this dot to lowercase is going to convert all the characters to lowercase letters. Similarly, we have uppercase. It is going to convert all the lowercase letters to uppercase letters. Hello world. So everything is now in capital. Then we have trim. For example, hello world, and after hello world, I have given some extra space. Okay, and I want to remove it. I don't want it. This is you. This is not useful for me. Okay, so I can use trim method. So it trims out, just like we have hair on our head and beard on our face. We use trimmer in order to trim it. Unnecessary hair we remove with the trimmer. So this is basically what it do. That dot trim method. It removes unnecessary space for us. So I hope we are clear with all these methods, and these may help you a lot, and also they provides us a very good shortcut at some places, that trim lowercase dot to uppercase. These all methods provides us a very useful case scenario. And so if you have skipped any of these or doesn't understand any of one of them or any other, you can rewind the video and watch it again, and it may help you a lot. And then also, if you face some problem, please write down in the comment section. I'll definitely try to reach out to you as soon as possible. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it and do like and share my video.